Hello. So, yesterday we started putting the panels on Conors' car to get them ready for painting. But when I went to turn on the GoPro, battery was dead. I had no spare battery, I had no charger, I had absolutely nothing with me. But we took a few videos and pictures, so I'll stick them in here how it came out. But at the minute we're just sending it down. It's going back to get painted or start painting tomorrow, which is, I'll check my watch here, which is Monday. And yeah, every panel is test fitted, so here you go. Boom. Alan blanked off the little spotlight holes. We have it all mounted up. Fits very well. Fits very, very well. Wings are mounted, doors are mounted, back quarters are mounted. The boot from Aero is mounted. The rear clam, half bumper and light blank are all mounted. They're Aero as well. And I tell you, they are some quality, like. Some quality. You couldn't make it up, like. The 326 spider is in here because she'll take flight down the road. She was only mocked up just with 2 screws to get rough positioning. Bonnet is mounted, but yeah, she's ready to rock now for paint. We're gonna load it up, we'll ship it off tomorrow, and when it comes back, hopefully it'll be all the wrong colour.
The following Thursday.
Did you bring the syringe in? Progress.
Wait, stop your GoPro.
I shall fight you.
Fight any man. Get the shot of any man's back.
There'll be no fucking stopping me. I take the shirt of any man's back. Bastards.
Can't show the colour just yet. Wait till later on to show the colour.
There's enough. You're the captain.
Fair old Uniloop prop as well. You gonna show them the colour?
Voila.
Shocking awe.
Candy Kulture, a candy red car. Who would have thought?
Now, the boys have a nice bit of work done this morning. So, the car washed. It was a lot of dust and just grime from moving it, going to paint and everything. So she's all cleaned up. Recap on last night. The diff is in with new bushings. Half shafts are in. Prop is in. Calipers, discs, pads are all on and plumbed. What else? Handbrake is plumbed. The correct rack bushings are in at this time. There's a discrepancy between the different S-body racks, so that's all buttoned up. That's probably where we stand at the minute. So lads are just gone into town to pick up a few bits and get a bit to eat. I'm only after landing, so I have started taking apart the turbo, wastegate, manifold, all that set up. I am going to put some heat management on it. I'll probably give it a wire wheel because it's overspraying, just a bit of corrosion and crap in it. But yeah, we'll get that all tied up, wrapped up, and mounted up into the car for the last time, really. I think it'll be the last time. Can't see any reason for it to come off. There's all new studs and manifold studs and nuts there to go on anyway. I'll tidy up all the wastegate piping as well, and tidy up the rear housing on the turbo as well. So Now, a little while later, that's the manifold wrapped. So, all I'm going to do now, I do all the rest of it with the safety wire. Just looks a bit tidier and holds it a bit better. So, I'll finish it off nicely. I just have these to hold it temporarily. And we'll be ready to drop back in the gear later. I got a right schnips now, I know. There's a way better chance. Gotta work with what you have. Aha! That'll hold that down there like that. We'll keep going all the way down. Sweet.
Might can crack it. Hello there.
Lord.
I think we might take up one again, John.
Huh?
I think we might take one out again.
One drinking again?
Yeah.
With what fucking money?
Sell it.
Sell it. Good deal today.
That's for sure.